Zentangle leaf for fall art. Let's get inspired. Materials needed are markers and paper. We're going to start with a simple outline of a falling leaf. Next, divide your leaf into different sections using straight lines. Fill each leaf section with different lines and shapes. By repeating simple lines and shapes, you create patterns. These patterns are known as Zentangles. Challenge yourself by skipping the pencil and going directly to marker. This means that whatever mark you put on the page is going to stay, and you need to work it into your design. With Zentangles, the more you add, the better. The more lines and shapes, the more patterns, the more complexity overall. The more marks you put on the paper also increases the amount of positive and negative space between the black and the white color of the paper. Once you're pleased with your Zentangles, take a moment to start adding in your color. I chose to use warm colors that reminded me of fall: yellow, orange, and red. I'm going to draw directly on top of my permanent marker, that was the black. Once your color marker is complete, take a moment to use a larger black marker, if you have one. If not, that's fine, to do a quick color in of your stem and an outline going around the outside of your leaf. That'll clean up your edges for a nice clean look. Outline on top of your original dividing lines for more distinctions between your section. If you'd like to add some visual interest and rhythm to the background, take a new color marker, do a brief outline around your leaf, going nice and loose, and continue that outline rippling outward to the very edges of your paper. This is going to create a look or a feel as if the leaf is falling. And there we have it, a beautiful Zentangle leaf for fall art. This artwork covers the elements and concepts of shape and pattern. For more, join us on BoldSoulWhimsy, Substack, YouTube channel, and Instagram.